How to recover hacked Roblox account without email or phone number. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can recover a hacked account on Roblox without phone number or email address. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. After opening your web browser, go to the search bar on the very top. Now search for the option Roblox support form. On the result page, tap on the first link that appears. To fill out the form, firstly enter your date of birth, select your month, day and year. Then click on continue. After that, you will land to another page where you will see the form. Firstly, fill out your contact information. After that, you will see the section called Issue Details. Here, select the type of issue you are having. At the bottom, you will see a description of issue option. On that description, you can go into detail about the kind of issue that you are having. When you are all done, then click on Continue at the bottom. Once you submit your form, they will review the form and get back to you. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.